So today I'm going to show you how to start a fundraiser on PayPal directly on your phone. Now you can also do this on desktop, but in this video here today, we're going to go step by step on doing it directly on your phone. You'll get this link and you can send it out to family, friends, post it on social media just as well. So here we're going to be on our homepage on the iOS device, so it might look a little bit different on Android. Now what we want to do is go ahead and go to the top left side of this screen over here. You're going to have those three little dots. We're going to go ahead and tap right over here. And this is going to bring up our overall menu on PayPal. Now, if we go ahead and scroll down here, we're going to actually keep going down where you're going to see it says raise money. Now, this we're going to go ahead and tap on, and it's going to bring a new section. We can go ahead and reach a lot of people. We can collect money with friends, or we can support a charity. So any of these options can work for you, just depending on what you're trying to do. If you want to support a charity, you can click here. If we want to go ahead and reach a lot of people, we can click right here to go ahead and support a friend or family member. We can go on this one down here. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and click support a charity. And right over here, it's going to let us know that we can go ahead and choose our times and how much we can collect, which is going to be no limit. So we're going to go ahead and click on start a charity fundraiser. We can go ahead and search for a charity here, or you can kind of go through here and just scroll and see all the different options that they have available for you. So you can see like the Red Cross, for example, here. You're going to go ahead and put a title, put a goal that we want, and then an end date. You can see there is going to be a limit of up to 30 days. Now, once we go ahead and create this, we're going to go ahead and have the next step. So we're going to go ahead and plug in this as just a quick test. And for this example, we're going to do $15, and we're going to just have it right there. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and tap on the next button here at the bottom. And from right over here, it's gonna ask us to go ahead and just describe the actual fundraiser. So if you wanna kind of give any details why you're doing this or who it's gonna be serving as well, you can go ahead and toss that in there. For this, we're just gonna go ahead and tap on next. Actually, we do have to plug something in. I'm just going to write test again. And then from here, we can go ahead and upload a photo, or we can go ahead and just use the generic stuff, whatever looks good for us. Ideally, if you have a photo that would look really nice, you can click on preview here, and it's going to show you what this is going to look like for you. I actually have run one of these before, and it was beautiful. We actually helped support during the Maui fires. So that's why I wanted to make a video like this to show people how this can be done. So you can see right over here, it shows you the end time. It tells you how much they're trying to save up for. And the really nice thing is once this is fully created and you have that link to send out to people, and obviously you're going to potentially pass your goal before the actual end of the overall support, that money will automatically go over to the charity that you are setting up for. So you don't actually have to do any of the other back end work, which is a beautiful thing. PayPal makes everything really, really easy on the back end. It'll also, by the way, tell you who started this fundraiser, and then you could do any updates as well too, so you can see all the people who have donated. So if everything looks good, if we need to adjust things, we can always hit the back button and readjust the photos if we needed to, or any of the additional information. So now if everything here is looking good, we can click on create and publish. Again, you'll get that link, which then you can send out to friends, family, and post it on other socials as well, so that we can have people donating towards this fundraiser. Now, of course, to be able to create this fundraiser, you do need to have a PayPal account. So we're going to toss a video right over here to make sure you know how to sign up for a PayPal account. If you already have a PayPal account, no worries. We also have a complete guide right over here to continue to teach you how to utilize the platform to the best of its uses.